Hello everyone, this is Kullets of Megabytes and welcome to my channel. For today, we're going to talk about a simple hack to make your life easier as a YouTube content creator. There's a lot of content creators and almost 50% don't have their own computer, or maybe they don't have enough storage space to keep their own RAW files or RAW videos. So they always delete their files after they edit and upload their videos. Well, it doesn't matter if you are not planning to use those RAW videos in the future, but there are times that we want to take another videos, but we still have those RAW files that we already uploaded before. And most of the time, we want to delete it because, well, it's already uploaded. But if you're like me who wants to remaster and make another version of my RAW videos, then you better listen to these tips. Tip number 1. You have to use those Google Drives. It's free and it comes with your account. So here I'm going to create an account just for a sample. And this will be a good tip to those who are trying to start their own channel. Okay, so first you have to make your own Gmail or Google account. Select your own username and that will also become your email address. And then here it will ask you to verify your phone number. Just include the 0, it doesn't matter. A 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number. So after you receive that 6-digit code, you enter and verify. So this is my new Gmail. So I only have one email that's from Google Community. Just click it so it will verify that you already read all those community guidelines and stuff. So after that, let's now open the Google Drive. With the Google Drive, remember to sign in your new email. So you can see that there's nothing in here. Here there's a 15 gigabyte maximum storage, so you can transfer your RAW files or videos and photos. For me, I'm going to transfer some of my videos here and I'm going to tell you how to transfer. So if you choose upload files, you can either upload one or more. And if you want to upload the whole folder, then you can just choose upload folder. So here you can see that I already upload my videos and there's still one more video and one folder. You can also use this as your own storage. Any files you can put it here and you can open it anywhere without having the problem of bringing a lot of things. But remember that there's only 15 gigabyte limit unless you buy another storage. So if you want to share your videos here or your files, you can share, or if you want to use it again, you can just click download and it will download on your device. So with share, of course, you can share it to anyone. You can add their names here. You can also give them the link. This one, copy the link and change the restriction to anyone with the link. Anyone with this link can open that file or folder. Here's the second tip, using the YouTube to upload videos. Yes, you heard me right. So now you can go to YouTube and open your own account and create your own channel. So here it's going to ask you to upload videos. Well, this is the perfect time for you to use this perk. Okay, so I'm uploading multiple videos, and these are raw files that I'm going to keep because I already edited and upload these videos. The maximum files to upload at one time is 15 files, so you cannot choose more than 15. Whenever you upload the videos here, it will be on draft, and you can either change it to private if you don't want people to see those raw files. So I already put a lot of videos here that I used before. Because these are drafts, I'd rather change it to private. And also, changing the file name would be better if you are planning to upload lots of videos. The good thing with YouTube is you can upload lots of videos and you don't have to worry about that 15 gigabyte maximum limit. However, you can only upload videos, unlike in Google Drive that you can upload any type of files, including photos, music, or animations. So I already changed the status of the files. And if you want to download it again, you can just click on that three dots and you can click download. And this is the best way to use those accounts, especially that we have multiple emails or accounts. Then we have to use all the perks that we can. So the next time you run out of storage space, you don't have to delete those. Just upload it into your Google Drive or upload it on YouTube. Especially if you have a very good video that you might think of using it again for another version in the future. So that's it for today, and thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't, please subscribe to get the latest update.